Wow, Joey.
If he's pulling, let him pull.
You caught a fish?
Cast that right out there.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, right there. Bring it to your dad. You see where your dad is? Yeah. There you go. You got him. Nice. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so your dad could get it right there.
If he's battling, let him pull.
Yeah.
If he slow down, then reel it in.
Nice. Oh, I see him. Oh, that's a good one, Joey. Oh, yeah.
He doesn't want to come in. Joey.
Nice.
Good job, Joey.
First one. It's a tiwa. Here, Gia. Come help Bear. Yeah. Help Bear. Here, reel this one in.
Did you hold all my fishes?
Here, see if it's still there.
Real.
See if it's still there.
Really.
Man,ต่อtrên net ta. Do it ha. Oh, is he coming in? So go grab the net. Okay. Come stand right there, yeah. Stand right there, yeah. Okay, right there. See if is he still there? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Really?
Huh?
I can see it, Daddy.
Ooh.
I can see it flopping.
Okay, don't let go of the pole. Okay? Here, put one finger up here. Put one this one.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, you wanna get it? Oh, here. Oh.
Wait, don't let go of the pole no matter what you do, yeah?
Don't let go of the pole.
Try to lift the pole up higher too.
Okay, here I got him.
Like that.
Okay. Okay. Keep an eye on the fish.
Oh, it's badly. Oh, it's bigger than Joey's.
That's a nice one. You got it, yeah. Tell them who's the boss. Tell them who's the boss.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Hold on. Don't let go of the pole.
Try bringing it this way.
Hold on.
Try bringing it this way now. You mean top.
Go closer to your dad.
This is my side.
Go closer to your dad. Ooh.
Whoa, this one's bigger. Reel in some more.
Nice job, yeah. High five right here. Oh.
All right, what's that battle? He was hit big, huh?
Go.
Go get it. Go get it. Get it.
Come on, yeah, you gotta get it. Pull it back. Okay.
Hold it up here, remember? With 2 fingers up. Okay, now reel. Man, not making bad all the time.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Sue, man, this is what it's all about. Let them get it.
I know that. That's
Don't let go.
I just set them up.
Don't let go, Uncle's fishing pole. You got it. Keep him.
That way. Move your pole that way.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Tell him who's the boss. Another big one?
Yeah.
Hey. Well, hold it higher, yeah.
Make sure
Just caught the third fish.
Oh, look, Joey, you got a fish too, Joey.
Joey, your pole. Oh, Sophia's. Oh, Joey's pole. Joey.
Joey, go, hurry.
Your pole.
Hurry, Joey. Yeah, you got it. Did you set it, Joey?
Oh, this one's huge, man.
All right. Put him in the...
It's a rainbow trout.
Wait, let's see. Ooh. Here, go help your son now. I got this one.
Dude, another big one.
I know, right? Another 3-pounder.
Joey came back just in time, huh? He's battling. Let him pull.
Where's that red stick you got?
Over here, Joey. Go this way.
Oh,
Sue, where's that red stick you were using?
Yeah, let him go all the way this way. Big old one. Hey.
Oh, that's a big one, yeah. Ooh. Oh, your dad just want to push it out. Come on, Sue.
Okay, got it.
Another big one, Joey.
Reel up some more. more, Joey. Reel up some more.
That's 4 fish.
Reel up
That
some
looks
more.
like a big one.
Up some
Try
more.
the second one. Oh, this one's bigger.
Right on
Big?
top. Yeah, I think it is bigger than the last one.
Bigger than
Yeah,
the last
yeah. Look
one.
at yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That is bigger. Oh, nice, Joey.
Wait, let it. Look at it. It's belly.
Big one. Here, look.
Yeah. How you know you got a fish? Come over here. Oh, you can't, huh? You can't.
Whoa.
Here,
Your line was in the way. Oh, it's on there.
here. I'll hold on to the line. Oh shit. Here, Fat. I got it. Yeah, I got this.
I don't know where the line is.
Is it over or under? What do you want me to do?
Keep reeling it again.
Oh, there it is.
What? She
Here.
really got a fish. She's so funny. 'cause
We'll
she
worry
was
about the
like,
line later. Come closer to me.
Reel it too, Daddy.
I doubt it.
Don't let go of the pole no matter what.
I got her. Oh, that's a big one.
Big
She's
fish
so
all
funny 'cause she
over.
was like, I think I got a fish. I'm
Oh.
like, nah.
Really?
We're like, it's just the water. She kept reeling and reeling and reeling.
Don't let go.
And then Joe was like, let me see.
Come on, yeah, you got this.
It's a rainbow one.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, that looks like a bigger one.
Yeah. How did you know you got a fish in the line?
Woo! Joey, Sophia, this one's real big.
Well, it's the deer. Because I saw it pull it. My
Oh,
ball.
oh. Yeah, that's another
job,
fat
yeah.
one.
Sophia.
Oh, Sophia, yours is bigger than Joey's.
What? Yeah, I think it's fatter.
It's
No,
fatter.
it's probably just as long, but it's a little bit fatter.
This one, Sophia, the one squirmy.
Yeah. Wow, yeah.
Nose to nose to nose.
Good
Wait,
job.
look at it. You saw him, cat.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, come stop that.
Liếm tức khuôn tổ nhữ à?
There's no way I can put my pole up.
So
You
you,
go over here, Joey.
when will be the day where you complain that you just have to have too much work?
Let him battle.
Wow, Joey. Ooh,
This way. Perfect, perfect. Now really, really.
you got him.
Battle.
Oh, that's another nice one. Nice.
Reel up some more.
Yeah, look. Oh! Oh my gosh, yeah.
Why do we need our life jacket?
Oh, you missed it.
Feels like it, but I think he's coming still, see?
Sure, man. I put that on.
That sucker went all the way up.
There you go. Oh, good one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one's for Daddy.
Here, I'll go get it.
I can get it.
Nah, I got it. Bring it over here. That noise?
Not that big.
Yeah, it's just
Come on, hold on.
got a baby ass pole.
This is- this is what I know.
Oh, it's pretty good size. Talking about.
Yeah. Don't want they don't know.
Oh, not like this morning. Well,
They're back, guys. They're back.
yeah. Fish are back.